The party's youth in Pandai in the northern region have staged a demonstration registering their displeasure over the Supreme Court's decision that quashed a Tamale High Court ruling ordering a rerun of the 2024 parliamentary polls in the constituency. The youth argue that the issue presented to the court was the Gazette, and therefore the court's decision to quash the High Court ruling is a major concern to them. They want national executives of the party to seek a review of the ruling, warning that failure to do so could affect the party's activities in Pandai. ChannelOne News' Northern Regional Correspondent Mohammed Aminu M. Alabira has more in the following report.
The youth of the National Democratic Congress, NDC, in the Pandai constituency on Monday morning poured onto the streets of Pandai to protest the Supreme Court's decision on the Pandai parliamentary rerun. The protest began at the party's constituency office, where some properties were destroyed. The youth threatened to cause further damage but were restrained by some elders within the group. Their main demand is that the party's national executive file for a review of the Supreme Court's decision. They insist that, based on the outcome of the last elections, Honorable Matthew did not win, and they are therefore warning the national executive that failure to seek a review could negatively affect the party's activities in the constituency. The leader of the group, Stephen Bondo, addressed the media after the protest, explaining the reasons for their action.
We respectfully await the reasoned decision of the Supreme Court scheduled for 6 February 2026. Should the reasoning raise further constitutional questions, the law is to provide mechanisms such as judicial review, clarification application, constitutional interpretation. Invoking these remedies when advised by counsel does not amount to disrespect, but rather demonstrate faith in the judicial system. Immediate legal review by NDC National Legal Directorate. Protection of democratic integrity in Pandai. We remain committed to peace, legality, and constitutionalism. But peace must never be confused with silence in the face of injustice. Pandai deserves justice. Democracy demands truth. The law must prevail.
Some members of the youth also shared their views.
They should go for the review. We have no issue with them. Other in that, we the youth of Pandai, NDC, we are saying there's no more NDC. Pandai! So we don't want anything. They shouldn't set the seat. They shouldn't tell us that we have majority in Parliament for that matter. They don't need Parliament again. And the candidate we have, Insala, is the right person now. And we need him. They should work and they should get up and do the right thing for Insala and NDC in Pandai. If you tell the NDC in Pandai, we the youth are not comfortable with what is happening.
The will of the people should not be subverted. As they are saying Matthew should lead the people. The people of Pandai doesn't want Matthew. That is why they didn't vote for him. So we want them to know that where they have passed through to declare the election for Matthew and they are saying it's the empty today. We want to assure them that if they don't work on it, the next election, we the NDC here will not campaign. We will also wait till election day, then we will do whatever we want to do to go to Parliament. If the leadership agree that way, they should prepare, and that is what will happen in Pandai.